Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to delete an invoice in Stripe using your phone. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred browser. For now, I'll open my Google Chrome. Once you're on your browser, navigate to the Stripe official website. Now simply log in and go to your account. Once you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard, you can see the three lines icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. Here under the product section, you can see the billing options. Tap on it. And there you can see the invoices option. Tap on it to open the invoices. This is where all your invoices are listed. You can go through the list of invoices and find the one you want to delete. Tap on the invoice. Now that you have the invoice open, you will see all the details associated with it. To delete this invoice, look for the More Options button. Here you can see the three dots icon at the top right. Tap on it. Now you should see the Delete Invoice option. Tap on it. Now it will prompt you to confirm your choice. This will delete the invoice from your Stripe account. So tap on Delete button and that's it. Your invoice is now deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.